The COVID-19 vaccinations have arrived. How will Kent County citizens be incorporated into the vaccination process?
Well, we as county commissioners, we defer to our county health officer, Mr. Bill Webb, to make those decisions. Okay, it would be our goal that our healthcare workers, our EMTs, our first responders would be the ones to get the vaccine first, and then senior citizens in nursing homes should be second. But I would like to think that everybody would realize that they could just wait their turn, continue to wear your mask, continue to social distance, continue to wash your hands, carry a sanitizer in your car with you. I mean, I have one in my car all the time. If I say fill up with gas, I use the sanitizer. I have one in the car, the truck. I think that's important. And I think we can remain safe if we just use a little bit of common sense.
The county commissioners have been very proactive in distributing coronavirus relief funds, state, federal, and you've incorporated county funds. Talk about, for businesses, talk about that effort, the deadline, the extension of the use deadline, where we are with all of that.
Well, we've tried to be very active in helping the restaurants here in Kent County, also our businesses. Back early, before there was any corona relief funds, we had a program, and I don't remember the official name of it, but where we would help businesses if they were coming to the county. Like when the Chestertown Theater came, there was money there that was put in. I mean, they paid it back, but it helped them get started. Well, we took what money was in that fund that was left, and this was back in March maybe, or April, and made two businesses that applied, gave them some relief at that time. I mean, it wasn't, I think there was $75,000, and then the request that we had come in was more than that, so we put another, I'm just using rough figures, 15,000 in it, to help businesses. This was when people were getting laid off, help them with their rent, help them to maybe pay some employees to keep them. And then as we've gone on through this, and Congress passed a relief bill, and then money went to the state sent some of it back down to us. We had the Restaurant Relief Act, which some of that money came from the state. We used the state money, and that was just very recently, just in the past 2 weeks. The commissioners went around and handed out checks to quite a few, I can't remember the exact number of restaurants here in Kent County. They got anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000. But that money came from the state, and also some money from the coronas, because we had to have this money spent by the end of the year. And
now that's made to be changing, though.
Well, from what I understand, in this new corona relief bill, they've extended that to 2021, which is nice, but it would certainly have been nice to know before 8 days that the year ends, because we're so far into it now, there's probably nothing. I mean, we've basically spent the money. I mean, we have a business initiative that we're working on right now to spend the rest of the money that's in that fund. And we were going to roll that out here before the end of the year. So really, it doesn't help us. I mean, it's nice, but if they could have said that back in July, then you wouldn't have been pressured to, get all this done by the 31st, because we were told if we spent money, that then the government came back and said, well, this wasn't corona relief. This didn't have anything to do with the coronavirus. Then we had to pay it back. So our staff was very,
keep it in the calendar year.
keep it in the calendar year, and make sure it is corona relief. I mean, all of our towns, we reached out to all the towns to see what they might need.
I know you spent money in Rock Hall to improve communications with the public.
Yes, Galena. I think Galena money was spent to include to help microphones,
Right,
and,
right. Okay, yes.
virtual, so people could call in and this type of thing. We reached out to all the towns for whatever they might need, and I think all the towns were helped